back in, I would say 70 or 80, and one of the professional clothing stores, they told me right straight out, Charlie, we're going to call you a suit Nazi. And I said, what, why? I don't like to be a Nazi. And he said, no, the suit Nazi means you are very picky on the stuff that you take care of. And that's the reason they call me a suit Nazi. I born in Red China. My grandma kind of dragged me out of the China, went to Hong Kong. And then by 1962, my grandma got hit by a car and passed away. So I got sent to orphanage. When you're all by yourself, you're only 5 or 6 years old, and they send you to one of the places, and the people just treat you like a, what do you call, nobody. In my heart, I got a lot of bitterness. I don't like to talk. Yeah. I was looking for a job, living off the beach as a beach bum. And a newspaper slapped me on the face and said, well, we hire you, we train you, you live here, work here for $45 a month. And they teach me as apprentice, and took about 3.5 years to finish the whole course. As a missionary, he said, volunteer to help me out on the Grand Rapids. So after he brought me here, I kind of stuck with Michigan. I got my life started here, and pretty much it's what you call when you get your foot stuck, you can't get it out of the mud. Because I was thinking about try to get more than one business in here, so I opened a tailor shop, alteration shop, and dry cleaning, and plus the massage for my daughter, and then myself as custom-made clothing. Mainly I was aiming for the athletic student because they do weightlifting, they got the broad shoulder, and they cannot buy a suit to make them look good. See, now if a store, you buy a suit, you go back there one time, they fit it, they redo it, and then you go back the second time, they fit it again, and they redo it again. Right. And then you come to see me, you come in, and you let me do the fitting, I tell you what's wrong. When I'm done, only one fitting, you're out the door. And everybody look at you and say, hey, that's sharp. You had a custom made for you? That makes a difference. When you get a coat on, you got the camera going?
Yep.
Okay. When you got the coat on, when somebody holding the coat this way for you, it's grab hold your sleeve, one arm in, stop, put the other arm back. Click. Time's out.